We need some lighting. Oh, there you go. Do people get off to this like very close up to the food? I'm like, oh my god, look at that food. But this kind of close to a fetish, if you ask me. Why do food reviewers get so much views? Like, why you want to watch me eat? It's good. I'm not even full, and it's like half. I got that monthly McDonald craving, so I went there. It must be fate, right? It must be fate. So I pulled up in the McDonald's drive-thru and I was like, what is that, Grand Mac? And I'm like, excuse me, what is different from the Grand Mac from the like regular Big Mac? And they're like, yeah, it's just like triple everything, triple lettuce, triple pickles, triple meat, triple bun, it's bigger and all this shit. I'm like, what? That's a thing? That's a freaking thing? What are french fries? Alright, so I got the meal. It's too expensive. It must be fate. I mean, so it's kind of anticlimactic because it's a regular Big Mac. It's just 3 times the size. I don't even know why I'm making a video about this. It's pretty good. It's a regular Big Mac, just 3 times the size. Like nothing special about this. And I got the signature, McDonald's fries. That they don't fill it up. What is this, McDonald's? I'm sorry, McDonald's, but really, you can give me this big thing, but you can't fill this up. What? I'm tweeting this out to McDonald's. Like, come on, McDonald's. Like, really, dude? There's room for more. There's room for improvement, McDonald's. I'm always dropping food in these food reviews. I don't know why I'm doing this standing up. They're kind of cold. They're not hot. They're still good. Yeah, this is a pretty lame food review, if you ask me. If you ask me, like, every time I eat a Big Mac, it's just too small, and I'm like, yo, I need another, son. Like, I'm still hungry after I eat that first little Big Mac. Like, dang, I'm gonna be so tight if they take this out the menu, because like, what? I'm not gonna be satisfied anymore. Like, this is actually really satisfying. That's the only positive, but it's a regular Big Mac. Oh man, you know what? I feel like the middle bread is kind of like squished. Like, it's not as fluffy as like the regular. Big Mac is. You know, every time I go to McDonald's, I always get this spicy buffalo. I don't know if you have to pay extra for it, because I remember one time I ordered the spicy buffalo in the drive-thru. I was like, "Yo, could you throw some spicy buffalo in the bag?" And they're like, "Alright, it's 50 cents." But at the end, I'm just like, at the second window, I'm like, "Yo, just throw some spicy buffalo in that, you know?" And they do us for free. So get you some spicy buffalo and eat that. I'm almost done. Yum. I'm such a messy eater, especially when I'm standing up. There's like no table. It's kind of slowing me down. I'm almost done. Alright, so let me review this. There's a little cheese left. I'll rate it a 5 out of 5, I guess. It's a I. It's a Big Mac. All right. Don't expect like it's like they add something new to this fucking Big Mac. It's a giant Big Mac. It's good. It's same rating as a regular Big Mac if I ever did a review for it. Yeah, so if you want to try a giant Big Mac and get your hands all dirty, I didn't get my left hand dirty. It's, it's kind of greasy from the fries, but I mean this hand is dirty. It's kind of false advertisement. The whole you need, excuse me, 2 freaking hands for this. Nope. I'm sorry. I might need to take down a point off this review because I only used 1 hand. Thanks for the late night dumb reviews. If you hungry, get the Big Mac. And then, get these cold fries. Or tell them no salt and then, they give you fresh fries. And tell them, I don't know, man. It's McDonald's. Don't expect any. When, man, whatever. Times Squared, 5 out of 5. Regularized Big Mac. Didn't change, just big. I need to go to food review school because, I mean, am I supposed to finish all this? I'll finish it, but I don't really want to finish it. I just ate a whole giant Big Mac. I'm not even excited. I don't even check the calories. I just bought it. Yeah, subscribe. Peace.